Hey y'all, let's play Samba La Bamba by William Owens. Don't forget to slow down the video using the settings icon if you need to slow things down to learn certain sections of the song. And also don't forget to wait till the end when I'm going to go over some tips and tricks to make sure that you sound awesome at the song. We have a guest player today, somebody you've never met before. This is my wife. She's also a band teacher and a professional flautist. So hope you enjoy. All right, folks, so when we drop into Samba La Bamba, we're going to see that it's forte. Your band is probably going to want the flutes to be louder. Now, in certain registers, you just can't be as loud. So be careful here. Make sure that you sound good before you start making the volume higher and higher and higher. This is a good tip. You also should practice loud and maybe even do some YouTubing on how to play louder on the flute. I'm really grateful to my wife for playing this excerpt for you. Hopefully some of those modeling moments will help you get better at flute as well. This song is a dance. Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Everything's got to be short, eighth note wise. So, and the quarter notes have to be separated ever so slightly. D, 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 D. If you play like normal beginner students and go na, 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 that is not the style of the piece. That's not what William Owens wanted. That's not the style of the samba. Pretty easy stuff here. We'll move on to measure 9. My wife demonstrated this beautifully. At measure 9, the first time you hear it, you will not play. It's grayed out on purpose. So don't say to yourself, I don't know what to do there. You know what to do. Nothing. When the first ending is coming to close and it goes to repeat back to measure 9, then you get to enter. And it has you enter at forte. Again, not as loud as you possibly can, just with a great full sound that you are happy with. When you get into the second ending, da 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 bum, bum bum bum. This is a low brass feature. You wait a little bit, little drum feature, dun dun dum. You have the response, bum bum bum. These should all be short and perfectly aligned with the rest of your band's people. Ensure that when you play those eighth notes, you're thinking t-t, t-t. Those are going to be really important to lining up, not only from a style standpoint, but from a counting standpoint. Dot, 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 dot. So make sure you're thinking, internalizing that pulse. 1, 2, 3, dot, dot. Or in this case, the one that I have highlighted, 3, 4, da, 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 da. Real short. It's real fun. My wife played this with her band just not too long ago, and they really enjoyed playing it. So 27, we back down to mezzo forte. Again, this probably should just be as big as you can with a full, good sound so that we get more woodwind in the mix. All these notes are fairly easy. They're not stretching you really at all. 35 to the end, forte, and then accented low B flats. Boy, that's hard to do without chirping. So make sure you practice this a lot by yourself. Do, do, do. And it's short and full, as full as you can get it. A little bit more than before, if possible. This song is really cool. I hope you enjoy it. I would like to hear from you in the comments if you're playing this for a band concert. I'd like to hear from you in the comments if you think my wife is the most beautiful person you've ever seen. I'd also like to hear if you think she sounded good. I'll be sure to share that with her. You can even say something as funny as like, hey, Mr. Butler, your wife sounds 10,000 times better than you. I'll admit it and I'll heart it and give you the comment. I won't feel bad about that. I've learned a lot from her, but I have a long ways to go. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this helped. Good to see you. I hope that you enjoy your concert series with whoever you're playing with. Thanks. Bye-bye.